Domain Name System, DNS, is an essential part of the Internet. It is responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses, which enables computers to communicate with each other. Without DNS, the Internet would be a confusing jumble of numbers instead of the user-friendly environment we are used to. DNS is made up of a hierarchy of name servers. At the top is the root server, which is the main directory of all domain names. Below this are the top-level domains, such as .com and .org, which are used to identify the type of organization that owns the domain name. Below this are the authoritative name servers, which contain the actual IP address of the domain. When a user types a domain name into their browser, the DNS system is used to look up the IP address of the domain. First, the browser sends a request to the root server, which then sends the request to the appropriate top-level domain server. The top-level domain server then sends the request to the authoritative name server, which finally responds with the IP address of the domain. DNS is a vital part of the Internet, and it is an essential tool for anyone who wants to use the web. Without DNS, users would have to remember the IP addresses of all the websites they want to visit, which would be practically impossible. With DNS, users can simply type in a domain name and be directed to the right website. Moreover, DNS is also used for email delivery. When an email is sent, the recipient's domain name is looked up in the DNS system to find the IP address of their email server. This allows the sender's email server to deliver the message to the correct destination. As you can see, DNS is an integral part of the Internet. Without it, the web would be a chaotic mess. Thankfully, DNS makes it easy for us to access the information we need quickly and efficiently.